The HOMCOM 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner efficiently cools rooms up to 344 square feet, making it a reliable choice for maintaining comfort during hot summer days. This versatile unit combines three functionalities: cooling, dehumidifying by removing up to 50 pints per day, and a fan with 2 speed settings for optimal air circulation. Designed for convenience, this portable air conditioner is easily movable with side handles and wheels, and it includes a remote control for effortless operation. With a sleep mode that operates at 54 decibels and a 24-hour timer, it ensures a peaceful night's rest while helping to reduce energy consumption. Installation is hassle-free with the included exhaust hose and window sealing kit, making it suitable for renters or quick setups without the need for drilling. Manufactured by Aosom LLC, this air conditioner combines practicality with user-friendly features, making it an excellent addition to any home.